How hard could it be to build your own AI? Like, I hate AI. Fixin isn't just an app. It's a connected repair platform designed to follow you everywhere you go. Whether you're on the phone diagnosing an issue in your garage, or sitting at your computer planning projects for the weekend. Your account, your history, and your files stay perfectly in sync. That same account also gives you access to Fixin Web, no separate setup, no exporting projects. Take a photo on mobile and seconds later, it's right there on your dashboard. Start a repair project on your computer, then pull it up instantly on your phone while you're still standing there next to your car, appliance, or whatever project you may be working on. Fixin was designed to make your workflow seamless, whether you're diagnosing, researching, or actually repairing. That same account also gives you access to Fixin Web. No separate setup or anything, no transferring files, no exporting projects. Just log in with the same account and everything is already there for you. Take a photo on mobile and seconds later it appears on the web dashboard. Start a repair project on your computer, then pull it up instantly from your phone while standing next to your vehicle, appliance, or system, whatever you may be working on. Fixin was designed to make your workflow seamless, whether you're diagnosing, researching, ordering parts, or actually completing the repair. The goal behind Fixin has always been simple. Create a repair platform that works the way people work. So, mobile when you're in the field, desktop when you're planning, organizing, or researching. One connected system powering both. And this is only the beginning. As Fixin continues to evolve, your account becomes the foundation for even a larger ecosystem, including smarter diagnostics, project management, AI-guided repairs, professional support, and connected repair history across everything you own. One account, one platform, everywhere you need it. This is Fixin.